instructor, mobile alloy wheel repair, even on a day such as today. We sat up in the rain. It's not a good idea to refurbish or paint wheels when it's wet, but I'll give you a brief idea of what we do and how we do it. Here we have a wheel where the bead has been broken. It's a powder coated wheel, and we started to take out the damage. See here, running around a curb and a crushing string. This is an Alpha Romeo wheel. Looking into the back of the van. See my nephew Benji cleaning the backs of the wheel. We zoom in here. Have a look at the back, please, Benji. We get them as clean as you possibly can. People have been looking after them. It's a lot easier if they haven't. And it's difficult. Turn the wheel round then, please, Ben. So this is impact with maybe a stress fracture here that we'll have to see whether it needs welding or not. Oh yeah? Okay. Very good. Okay, now we're going to add a slight amount of sparkle to give the wheel just a little sparkle that it needed. There we go. Okay, with the wheel now primed, prepped, cleaned, ready to be painted, I now put the lights on it to warm the wheel to accept the paint a lot easier. So we'll see you. Okay, now the wheel is painted, we've had the sparkle, the Alfa Romeo, the wheel is heated and now we'll go to the lacquer. We'll do some K lacquer. Slightly harder coat than a dust coat. We'll come back to it in about 5 minutes. We'll put a lamp on it now and we'll give it quite a heavy mist coat. We now go into final coat. Look at the wheel now. It's pretty much all there. You've just got to look for a little tiny few, maybe little dull spots that aren't so shiny, just to get full coverage. Very important to get full coverage. Brand new.